Big hello to everyone, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Anchor Sanjay Podar, and today I'm going to speak about Orange Events. Yes, Asha ji, the service server of Orange Events. Let me tell you, this is just not an event company for me. It's an emotion. It's a feeling. Everyone had a bad time. Last 2 years were very worse for event industry. That time we collaborated and we almost done 50 plus virtual events. We used to bring new concepts and absolutely we worked together with an amazing chemistry. Trust me, the understanding is so good. Orange Event is just not an event company for me, it's like a family. I can suggest anything to them. The culture is so open, they are very proud to accept it. This is absolutely stunning. It's never a relation like a vendor and event company, it's like a family, and that I absolutely love it. So you tell them anything, wedding, corporates, virtual, anything. They are one of the champions. They will do it flawlessly, and that's why they are known, and that is their USP. So I wish Orange Events a very good luck for their future endeavors, and trust me, we'll be together always. I'll be very happy to be connected with you always, and it will be my absolute pleasure. Remember, we collaborated in tough times. Now it's time to celebrate in the good times. Things are opening up. So my wishes to Orange Events: grab all the events possible, do it, and do it in a way you're known for. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful time.
Hello everyone, this is singer Vishal Singh, winner Voice of Rajasthan from Madhyod Band, and this video is to put on records my appreciation for Orange Events and Asha ji for being so supportive and a great event planners everybody looks for. The quality of work they do is top notch. The approach towards conducting an event is really professional. The friendly behavior and quality of putting heart and soul in an event makes Asha ji a class apart. So looking forward for many more collaborations with Orange Events, and yes, I can refer Orange Events to all my clients without any hesitation. Best wishes and all the best for all the future endeavors. Once again, singer Vishal Singh from Madhyod Band.
Hi guys, my name is Maddie and I'm super excited while recording this video just because I came to Bhopal with Orange, and this is not the first time I'm doing an event with Orange. This is my, I don't know, I don't remember the number and when I started to work with Orange. And we are on the verge to close an event, and you can make out with the noise, the music that's coming from the background, and that is very obvious because we just delivered a very successful event. So being into the fraternity from last so many years, I feel Orange plays a very important role in my life just because they treat me as a family, I treat them as a family, and it is not only about relationship, it is all about work. We deliver, and we always try to deliver the best of the best in the best possible manner. So that is what is required whenever you go for an event. So 3 cheers. Oh, wonderful song in the background. So 3 cheers to Orange. Hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray, hip hip hooray. Thank you so much, Orange. Keep entertaining the world and keep maintaining the level of perfection, excellence and execution.
खूबसूरत सी पल का एक किस्सा बन जाता है, ना जाने कब कौन जिंदगी का हिस्सा बन जाता है। कुछ खास लोग मिलते हैं जिंदगी में जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन जाता है। Yes, ladies and gentlemen, this is Serene Sarkar. By profession, I'm an anchor, singer and an actor, and my association with Orange Event is just like that. जिनसे कभी ना बिछड़ने वाला रिश्ता बन गया है। Overall 15 years of experience I have. I started my career in Calcutta and then shifted to Delhi and immediately got connected with Orange Events. You name any kinds of events, talk about corporate conferences, team building, retailers meet, rewards and recognitions, dealers meet, international summit. They have all possible best solution for all of you. They basically work like a bridge between the client and the performer. So दोनों बहुत ही comfortable रहते हैं एक दूसरे के साथ. All I want to say, all the very best to Orange Events, और हमारा ये जो association है, they should go a long way. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself, and you're doing very brilliant. So keep up the good work.